We're so happy you're here!
Let's have some fun and learn together.
Ready? Let's go!
Inhale, exhale. Stop for a second, Anna. Just breathe. Smell that air. It is so fresh. We are far away from the city now. No cars, no sirens, no pollution. Just trees. Welcome to the forest.
It is beautiful, but Ben, my backpack is heavy. Ugh, I have the sleeping bags inside, and the water bottles. My shoulders are tired. My legs are burning. Are we there yet? Where are we going to sleep tonight?
We are almost there. We are looking for a campsite. That is a safe place to sleep outdoors. Look over there. Between those two giant pine trees, do you see that flat, grassy area? That is a clearing. It is an empty space in the woods.
Oh, I see it. It looks perfect. The ground is flat. We cannot sleep on a hill or we will roll away. Let's go over there. Crunch, crunch, crunch.
Okay, drop the bags. Thud. Wow, that feels better. My back feels light again. Look at the ground, Anna. It is covered in pine needles. They are the brown leaves from the pine trees. They are soft. It will be like a soft carpet under our bed.
This is a great spot. But the sun is going down, Ben. We have about 2 hours of light left. We need to build our house before it gets dark. We need to pitch the tent.
Okay, step 1. Unzip the tent bag. Zip. Pull everything out. There's a lot of fabric here. It is bright orange. It looks like a giant balloon without air. Help me spread it out on the grass. Pull the corners tight.
Okay, it is flat. Now, what are these black sticks? They look like a bundle of fishing rods.
These are the poles. They are the skeleton of the tent. They hold it up. Watch this. They are connected by an elastic string inside. If I shake them, snap, click, snap. They fit together like magic. Now I have 2 very long, bendy sticks.
Okay, I see the sleeves on the tent fabric. We have to slide the poles through the sleeves. Push it through, Ben. Keep pushing. Okay, it came out the other side. Now for the hard part. We have to bend them to make the roof.
Ready? You grab that side. I'll grab this side. 1, 2, 3. Push up. And pop. There we go. The tent is standing up. It is a dome shape. It looks like an igloo.
It is standing up, but it is very light. If the wind blows, our house will fly away. We need to lock it to the ground. Hand me the bag of stakes, or you can call them pegs. They look like little metal hooks.
Here is the hammer. It's a rubber mallet. Be careful with your fingers. Don't hit your thumb.
I am a professional. Watch this. I'm putting the hook through the loop and driving it into the dirt. Bang, bang, bang. The ground is a little hard here. Bang, bang. Okay, that one is deep. The tent is tight now. It's solid.
Good job. Our shelter is ready. Let's open the door. Unzip the fly screen. Zip. That is the mesh door. It has tiny holes. It lets the cool air come in, but it keeps the bugs out. Mosquitoes are not invited to our party.
I'm going to throw the sleeping bags inside. 1 blue bag, 1 red bag. It looks surprisingly cozy in there. It is small, but it is home. Okay, the house is built. Now I'm getting cold and I'm getting hungry. We need a fire.
Look at the sky, Anna. The sun is gone. The sky is turning purple and dark blue. This is called twilight or dusk. It is the time between day and night. The temperature is dropping fast. We have to hurry. We need to gather wood before it gets completely black.
I can hardly see the ground. I am using my phone light to see. Here is a stick. Snap. I stepped on it. Is this one good?
Let me feel it. Yes, it feels dry. That is the most important rule of camping. We must find dry wood. If the wood is green or damp, it will not burn. It will just make a lot of white smoke. We need dead branches that fell from the trees a long time ago.
Okay, I am looking for fallen branches. Here is a big one. Grunt. It is heavy. This is a log. It is too big to start the fire, but it is good for later. I will drag it back to the camp. Scrape, scrape, scrape. It makes a loud noise on the dirt.
We need 3 sizes of wood to build a fire. First, we need tinder. That is tiny stuff, dry leaves, pine needles, or paper. Second, we need kindling. Those are small twigs, the size of a pencil. And third, we need the fuel. Those are the big, heavy logs. I think we have enough now. My arms are full. Let's go back to the tent.
Okay, dump the wood here. Clatter. We cannot build a fire on the grass. It is dangerous. We might burn down the whole forest. We need to use this fire pit. It is a circle made of rocks. The rocks stop the fire from spreading.
Building a fire is like engineering. You cannot just throw the wood in a messy pile. Fire needs air to breathe. I'm going to build a teepee. That is a pyramid shape, like a tiny wooden tent.
I see what you are doing. You put the dry leaves in the middle, then you lean the small twigs against each other. It looks very fragile. If you touch it, it will fall down. Do not put the big logs on yet. Wait until the fire is strong.
Exactly. If I put the heavy log on now, I will crush the baby fire. Okay, the structure is built. Now we need the spark. Do you have the matches or the lighter?
I have a box of wooden matches in my pocket. I hope they're dry. If matches get wet, they're useless. Here, take the box.
Okay, everyone be quiet. The wind has stopped. This is the perfect moment. I'm taking one match out. It has a red tip. I'm striking the match against the side of the box. Scritch. Foosh.
It lit. I see the flame. It is small and yellow. It smells like sulfur. Quickly, Ben, put it in the leaves.
I'm touching the flame to the tinder. The dry pine needles are catching fire. I see smoke. White smoke is curling up. I need to give it oxygen. I'm going to blow on it gently. Blow. Blow.
It is working. Look, the leaves turned into a real fire. Now the little twigs are burning. Crackle, crackle. I love that sound. It sounds like the wood is popping.
The flame is growing taller. It is turning from yellow to orange. I can feel the heat on my face now. It feels so good. The air behind me is cold, but my face is warm.
Now we can add the bigger sticks. Do it carefully. Don't smother it. There. We did it, Ben. We have a campfire. It gives us light, it gives us heat, and most importantly, it gives us a way to cook dessert. Are you ready for marshmallows?
The fire is perfect now. It is not a giant roaring flame anymore. It is a bed of glowing red coals. This is the best heat for cooking. Reach into the bag, Anna. Grab the marshmallows.
I have them. They are big, white, and fluffy. They feel like soft pillows. I am putting one on my stick. This is a metal skewer. Be careful with the sharp point. Poke. Okay, it is on the stick.
Now, hold it over the fire, but not in the fire. If you put it in the fire, it will catch on fire. It will turn black. We want it to be golden brown. You have to be patient.
I am holding it steady. My hand is getting warm. I am rotating the stick, spinning it slowly. Look, Ben, the skin of the marshmallow is bubbling. It is changing color. It is turning light brown. It looks like toast.
Perfect. Yours is perfect. But look at mine. Oh no, I put it too close. Foosh, my marshmallow is on fire. It is a torch. Blow, blow. Okay, the fire is out, but now my marshmallow is black. It is burnt. I like them burnt. They are crispy.
Now comes the best part. We are making s'mores. That is a funny word. It stands for some more because you always want to eat some more. It is a special camping sandwich.
Get the ingredients ready. We need graham crackers. Those are sweet, crunchy cookies, and we need a square of milk chocolate. Put the chocolate on the cracker. Now, take your hot marshmallow.
I am sliding the hot marshmallow off the stick. Careful, it is very sticky. I am putting it on top of the chocolate. Now, put the other cracker on top and squish, squish.
Look at that. The heat from the marshmallow is melting the chocolate. It is a gooey, sticky mess. Take a bite, Anna. Crunch.
It is delicious. It is warm, sweet, and crunchy, but it is very messy. I have marshmallow on my nose and chocolate on my fingers. This is the taste of camping.
Okay, wipe your hands. We're done eating. Now turn off your flashlight. Turn off your phone. We need total darkness. Let your eyes adjust. Look up, Anna.
Wow, I have never seen so many stars. In the city, we can only see 5 or 10 stars, but here, there are millions. It looks like someone spilled glitter on a black blanket.
Do you see that cloudy white band going across the middle of the sky? That is the Milky Way. That is our galaxy. It is amazing how big the universe is. It makes me feel very small.
Look over there, the bright stars making a shape. That is a constellation. I think that is the Big Dipper. It looks like a giant spoon. Connect the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Handle. Scoop. Yes, it is the Big Dipper.
Wait, did you see that? A streak of light, just for 1 second. Zip! That was a shooting star. Quick, Anna, make another wish. You made a wish at the fountain. Now make a wish on a star.
I wish that we don't get eaten by bears tonight. Just joking. I wish for a good night's sleep. But speaking of sleep, the fire is getting low. The air is getting very cold. I think it is time for bed.
Okay, the fire is out. We poured water on the coals. Now it is just wet ash. It is time to go inside. Zip the door, Anna. Zzz, zip. Crawl inside. Take off your boots first. We don't want mud in our bedroom.
I am taking them off. I am leaving them just outside the door, under the flap. Okay, I am in. Quick, zip it up. Don't let the mosquitoes follow me. Zip. Ah, we are safe. It feels very different in here. The ceiling is low. It feels like a secret fort.
It is much warmer in here. Our body heat stays inside the tent. Okay, get into your sleeping bag. Mine is blue. Yours is red. You have to unroll it first. Then slide your legs in. It is tight, like a cocoon for a butterfly.
Rustle, rustle. I am in. I am zipping it all the way up to my chin. It is puffy and soft. This is a mummy bag. It is shaped like a mummy to keep my feet warm. Okay, Ben, turn off the lantern. I want to see how dark it is.
Are you sure? It will be pitch black. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, click. Silence. Wow, I cannot see my own hand in front of my face. It is complete darkness.
Wait, my eyes are adjusting. I can see a little bit of moonlight coming through the tent walls. Look up at the ceiling, Ben. Do you see the shadows? The wind is blowing. The tree branches outside. The shadows are dancing on the tent. They look like long, skinny fingers.
Shh! Did you hear that? Listen. Snap. That was a twig breaking. Something is walking outside. Something is walking near our tent.
I heard it too. Crunch, crunch. It sounds like footsteps. Ben, is it a bear? Did we leave any food outside? Did we leave the marshmallows out?
No, we packed everything away. Bears are heavy. They sound like thump, thump. This sound is light. Scritch, scratch. It sounds like tiny claws. I think it is a raccoon. He is investigating our boots.
Oh, thank goodness. Just a raccoon. Go away, Mr. Raccoon. We don't have any snacks for you. Okay, I think he left. My heart was beating so fast. Camping is a little bit scary. Your imagination goes wild in the dark.
Listen to the roof now. The sound has changed. Pat, pat, pat. Do you hear that rhythm? It's starting to rain. Just a light rain. A drizzle.
Oh, I love that sound. It's like white noise. Patter, patter, patter. It is getting steady. Is the tent waterproof? Are we going to get wet?
Yes, it is waterproof. We have the rain fly on top. We are safe and dry. The rain makes the forest smell even better. It smells like pine and wet earth. This sound makes me very sleepy. My eyelids are getting heavy.
Me too. The ground is a little hard, but the sleeping bag is warm, and the rain is singing us a lullaby. Good night, Ben. Thanks for building the fire, and thanks for protecting me from the raccoon.
Good night, Anna. Sleep tight. See you in the morning. Sound of rain fading out. Patter, patter, silence.